If you have Lineage OS installed on your phone or tablet and Google Play says Netflix won't work for your device when you try to install it, then let me show you how we can work around this issue. I recently did a video showing how to install the Lineage OS custom ROM on the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 series phones from Google. But in doing so, I came across an issue where I was unable to install the Netflix application from the Play Store. Some may think this is because Netflix is being blocked due to the phone not passing SafetyNet Attestation checks. But the Netflix application itself does not check if the device passes SafetyNet. This block is happening from the Google Play Store itself. Thankfully, we can easily get this app installed and working on your Lineage OS smartphone or tablet by simply sideloading the APK manually. I usually recommend the website APK Mirror when wanting to download legit APK files that have not been tampered with, but you can also use any trusted source that you want. I'll even include a link down in the video description below for this site for anyone who wants a direct link. So once we get to the Netflix developer page here, you're just going to want to scroll down a little bit and find the latest non-beta release that you can see in this list. You could be fine by installing a beta version, but it's not normally something that I recommend people do. So once the APK file has been downloaded, you can tap the Open button that appears from the Toast menu, or you can find the APK file in a file manager application. There's going to be a stock Files app whenever you install Lineage OS, and you can use that, or you can use your file manager application of your choice. We just need to tap on the APK file, select install, and let the application install to our smartphone or tablet. After the Netflix APK has been sideloaded, you should see the app icon appear in the app drawer or on your home screen, just like you would expect after you have installed it via the Google Play Store. So go ahead and open up the Netflix application and then log into your account like you normally would. The only major downside to sideloading the APK file in this way is that you're not going to be getting application updates from the Google Play Store. Even though the application has been installed, Google Play is still going to say that your device is incompatible when you search for it. So every now and then, you're going to want to check the source that you got the APK file from, and then see if a newer version has been released. We can always find the version number that we have installed by going to the app info page of Netflix and looking at the bottom. So we can use this to compare which version we see on APK Mirror or the Aurora Store or any other trusted app source that you know of. I hope this video has helped anyone who has had trouble installing Netflix on their Lineage OS 20 device. If you have any questions, then please feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll reply as soon as I can.